Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the Sheraton and I'm filming another video for them, which is going to be sick. So I'm just at the premium ocean room. King size bed, and you got the ocean view of the beach. Hey guys, so I just finished a busy day at the Sheraton and I'm heading home now, get some rest. I'll be there back early at 8 AM, do some sunrise shots in their ocean rooms, which is going to be sick. So I'm looking forward to that, and yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm at somewhere pretty special on the Gold Coast. We'll get to that in a few seconds. But yeah, I'm here filming a few videos for some content creation for their social media and marketing. It's gonna be sick. I've been here for a couple days, so yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you what I've done. Oh, and hey, look who it is.
Hi guys, my name's Christy. I'm the sales manager here at the Sheraton Mirage Resort, Gold Coast. Let's take a look around the resort.
So right now we're just heading to the villas. Apparently they're tonight. I don't believe it, so we're gonna go check it out and I'll show you when I get inside. So we just finished in the villa and we're heading back to the Sheraton and we're gonna get a coffee, which is gonna be nice. Hey guys, so that's it for today. I'm heading back home now. It's been such an exciting day. I've got some great footage as well of this place. And yeah, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Yeah, so I'm pretty looking forward to going home now. I've done everything, been here for about 12 hours for the past 2 days. And yeah, filming some great content of the ocean rooms and the villas, which has been pretty sick. And yeah, I'll link everything down below if you want to check out their website and everything. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, have a good one guys. Cheers. Peace.